guys! Welcome back to my channel again. So, magho-haul na naman tayo ng mga items from Walgreens. So, yung nagastos ko lahat dito guys is $17.83. Plus tax is $19.50. Supposed to be yung without coupon guys, yung babayaran ko sana is around $21.83. Kaso may coupon tayo guys na $4. So kaya yung binayaran na lang natin is $19.50 with tax na yun guys. Okay? So first is punta muna tayo sa ating plate. Ito guys. Sale, deal nila to ngayon na buy one, get one free. So, $3.49 ang price ng isa. So, not bad for 20 plates and then free na yung isa. Okay? Next is sa atin tayong ito. Finally, nakahanap na din ako nito. Ito talaga yung sadya ko dun sa store and finally nakahanap ako. So, kaya yan. So, 3 for $7.50. Okay. And then, ito din siya guys. Maybelline. Sale din to siya. May deal dito guys na buy 2, get 5 register reward. So, kapag bibili ka ng 2 items na Maybelline, makakatanggap ka ng $5 register reward. And then, ito siya guys. Dalawa nito. Wala na yung isa. Naluto na. And then, ito yung pahabol ko, guys. Kasi, mayroon akong booster na spend 20, get 5,000 points. Okay? So, medyo nagkulang ako, guys. Kasi, ito siya, guys, is mayroon ditong coupon na sa booklet, yung IVC, store coupon siya, na kung saan, hindi siya ma-count. Okay? Hindi siya counted ba yun? Basta, store coupon kasi yun guys. So, kaya nagkulang ako. So, ito yung nakuha ko doon. Ano yung price nito guys is 39 cents. So, dalawa. Yung total nito is 78 cents. So, ayan lahat. So, gumamit nga ako ng paper booster na spend 20, get 5,000 points. So, ibig sabihin guys, hindi ako nag-redeem. Kasi pag mag-redeem ka, hindi mo makukuha yung 5,000 points. Pero, pwede kang gumamit ng mga register reward. Katulad nito. Kaso guys, wala akong register reward. So, kaya malaki yung aking nabayaran. Plate natin yung ating paper plate. So, $3.49. Yung ating, ito, yung ating, this one, caramel, 78 cents. Yung ating Maybelline eyeshadow is $4.29. Yung ating namang noodles na dalawa is 98 cents. Then yung ating Maybelline eyebrows pencil is $4.79. Then yung ating Pampers nga na $7.50 for 3. And then ito yung IVC. So ito siya guys. So, para ma-qualified ka sa $1.50 of need mong kumuha ng tatlo or di kaya ito. So, tatlo yung kinuha ko. So, kaya binawasan nila. At kung mapapansin nyo, yung $1.50 hindi nakalagay dito. Kasi guys, store coupon siya guys. Okay? So, ayan na guys, yung ating paper booster na spend 20, get 5,000 points. So, ito yung mga nag-come off na coupon. Itong ating eyeshadow, and then para sa Maybelline, and then sa ating Pampers na 50 cents. So, yan na lang yung ating binayaran, $17.83. Okay? And then, I get back 5,000 points. So, yan, bonus points, 5,000 points. So, yung aking closing balance is 56,180. And then, aside from 5,000 points is, I got back this one guys from Maybelline. Okay? So, ito guys is valid lang to. Kung ima-minus mo yung nagastos mo, and then yung mga natanggap mo naman, yung 5,000 points, at saka ito, is lumalabas na $9 na lang ang lahat ng item na i-teach guys. See? Not bad guys. So, that's it guys. See you sa aking next vlog.